This is a fit for a 2008 through 2014 Scion XD. We've outfitted this vehicle with the SportRack Latitude base roof rack. This roof rack consists of the Latitude Aero load bar, the Latitude clamping foot, and the Thule fit kit 1468. The system also includes locks, has a 110-pound load capacity, evenly distributed between the two load bars, crossbar spread of 28 1/8 inch from center to center, this product, along with the full line of SportRack products, are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit the website for complete details, pricing, and promotions.